Watch a massive concrete pillar under extreme load, and you see absolute stillness. The material absorbs the crushing tension in silence, masking the physical strain without offering a single visual clue of distress. This silent strain scales outward, cascading through every blinking node of an interconnected power grid, stretching across the entirety of our infrastructure as it quietly fights against its own weight. Which brings us to the central paradox of engineering: why two identical systems facing the exact same pressure will experience entirely different fates, one surviving and one dying. We lean on the comforting excuses of poor materials or sudden force, but the jagged reality of a microscopic fracture leaves a deeply unsettling gap in our understanding of structural integrity. Physical collapse is rarely a sudden tragedy. It is more often a delayed symptom, the final visible gasp of a structure that was already dead. Dissolve that physical surface, and you are left with the hidden geometric architecture, the invisible skeletal structure that actually governs stability. As the load increases, the ledger begins to shift. Admissible routes are systematically lost, leaving behind a silent sequence of closures that guarantee a future break. Every bridge we cross and every power grid we draw from is bound by this unseen, unforgiving ledger. It means we are surrounded by civilization-scale systems that appear physically intact, but have already mathematically run out of road. We can no longer rely on physical observation. We require a new set of operational instruments capable of peering into this hidden space. Series 6 built the Modal Engine, mapping the theoretical landscape of possibility, entropy, and vacuum structure. Right now, Series 7 drags that massive theoretical engine out of the vacuum and slams it into the concrete reality of laboratory tests, hysteresis loops, and physical materials. We are moving from pure theory to a civilization-scale auditing program, local AI gate traces, evidence ledgers, aggressively hunting for the dead roots within our data. The abstract ledger has been captured and folded down onto the audit table for immediate investigation. What fails before it breaks? Access the findings. General Emergence Mechanics, Series 7.